In an era of rapid technological progress, artificial intelligence represents one of humanity's greatest achievements. But at the same time, it also harbors serious, multifaceted threats that require urgent and collective vigilance. The most pressing risks stem from malicious exploitation, which involves intentional abuse of system vulnerabilities, software weakness, or human behavior to gain unauthorized access, steal data, or cause disruption. Advanced AI enables cybercriminals to produce hyper-realistic deepfakes, launch sophisticated phishing attacks, and automate fraud, blackmail, non-consensual imagery, and disinformation campaigns. Some AI tools are already a threat to institutional trust, influencing public opinion, and has the potential of spreading misinformation worldwide at unprecedented speed. Cybersecurity is under severe strain, with reports of several instances of conventional defenses being outpaced. Today, leading assessments identify AI as the primary driver of cyber threats, tilting the balance toward attackers and risking widespread failures in critical infrastructure. In response, the Government of India, through the India AI Mission and the 2025 India AI Governance Guidelines, has taken proactive steps. This includes establishing the India AI Safety Institute for risk assessment, safety testing, and developing indigenous tools against deepfakes and bias, adopting a risk-based, innovation-friendly, light-touch approach with emphasis on accountability, content labeling, transparency, and incident reporting, and promoting ethical principles, sector collaboration, and global partnerships.
Today's systems frequently hallucinate information, and many of them deliver incorrect results. As AI tools become more automated and they can get misaligned with human values, robust governance, ethical design, and international cooperation are essential. The future of AI must be guarded by responsible stewardship that protects humanity's shared interests. This is Antara Sinha for DD India with Shambhunath Mishra.